We call it the virtual runway, and it gives
Okay.
everyone an opportunity to, link to us and watch a fashion show unfolding, and to be able to
Okay.
order the clothes online.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another edition of Indulge Better Living. Today, we have none other than fashion guru Prasad Vidappa to talk to us about the future of fashion shows. Hello, Prasad. Thank you so much for making the time to be with us today on this chat.
Hi, Edison. That's the one thing we're all rich in is time these days. So it's always a pleasure to be with you.
So how's it been, Prasad? How's the lockdown treating you? What's life been like?
It's not been too bad actually, Ed, because I went to Colombo for Fashion Week in the middle of March. And
Okay.
when March got called off suddenly, and we had to come back on a last flight out of Colombo. So the minute we got back, it was about the 13th or 14th of March, and we went into self quarantine immediately. And then
Okay.
we were locked down a week later. So I've been in a lockdown since March 13th. But this month we've decided to come back to work on alternate days. So we are back at
Okay.
work for 3 days a week for a few hours. Just need
Okay.
interaction and get some projects started. So we said we better start working.
So I'm told that you actually had an online fashion show. I think we had Aviva's work and I think BB Russell's work. Is that right?
We are planning. We launch it at the middle of June. We call it
Okay.
the virtual runway, and it
Okay.
gives everyone an opportunity to, link to us and watch a fashion show unfolding, and to be able to
Okay.
order the clothes online. So we are still
Okay.
getting our technical side up, and I think
Okay.
by about the 15th of June we are ready to launch.
Okay. So how are you planning this, Prasad? Is it going to be shot real time, or is it going to be shot during different times and then it'll be stitched together? How is that?
We'll try a combination of both. We want to try a live feed also and
Okay.
see whether we can get enough people on. But we also want to create an edited version that can be shared widely by both the brand being featured as well as ourselves. Because today, on one level, living life online does increase the audience quotient. Normally, a
Yeah.
fashion show is done about 250 or 350 people, and then the material is taken and shared. So we are going to share it directly with at least 20 to 30,000 people. So that way you maximize your audience. And I think
Okay.
that today the real audience therefore becomes less important than the virtual audience. So that's whom
Okay.
we are aiming at. But we would like to bring the fashion show experience live, and
Okay.
let people see how we put it together and how the whole thing works out. I'm going to make it very interesting and a lot of fun. In fact, our first one is almost ready, Aviva
Okay.
Bidapas. And as soon as we launch that, you'll get a very good idea of in which direction we are going. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Every live fashion show has there's going to be a music component to it. There's going to be a backdrop that's probably
We have it all there.
digital.
It's a completely
Okay.
staged fashion show with models and makeup and hair, stage, light, music, sound, the works.
Wow.
It's a big ticket, really. Production is a big ticket. So we are going to
Okay.
do what we do best. I mean, in 40
Hmm.
years, I've presented some of the best shows in India. And now I'd
Okay.
like to get onto an online space and get more and more people to share the experience.
Do you think this is the way forward for all fashion shows now, Prasad? Do you think people are going to be adopting this even post the lockdown?
See, currently, a lot of us buy online, but the
Okay.
online experience does not necessarily give you a feel or a look and feel for the garment. But if you're watching
Yeah.
it in one of my virtual fashion shows, you will see how it moves, how it works. You can see whether it's going to suit you or not. And then you can connect to our online stylists for advice. If you want to know
Okay.
which color would go well with your complexion, or if you know what kind of a body fit works for you, then our stylists will step in to advise also. So it's going to
Okay.
be a 360-degree experience of fashion. And I think it's going to be very interesting because over the 40 years, we've learned such a lot. I'd like to share that with my audience. I'd like to tell them how we put a show together and why a particular model wears a particular design, why a certain model wears a sari, why is this male model who looks better in a suit than in casual. So people will get an idea of how to dress themselves. It's going to be a learning experience. It's going to be something that they can share in, and learn from. And I think that's very important, to be able to give good advice. Because unfortunately today, there are a lot of people online and charging money to give out advice and giving some horrible advice also. And the fashion industry has always been full of charlatans, who take young people for a ride. So I want to really get rid of all that and show people how they can participate in the process of fashion, in the process of modeling, in the process of fashion design, and how to go about it the right way. We'll guide them down the right path.